Workshop 1 pa rin 'to, debt management. So, what is debt? Ito naman yung sinasabi na amount of money borrowed by one party from another. The borrower is expected to pay the debt with interest. No? So, alam nyo, pag may utang kayo, make sure babayaran nyo yan. Kahit na paunti-unti, no? Kasi trust po yung binigay sa nyo, hindi lang pera. Okay? And debt rob your future income. So, ito po yung natutunan ko rin noong 2012 na sabi ko, ganun pala yung 'pag nasanay akong umutang, 'pag nagkautang-utang talaga ako, ibig sabihin nun parang hindi na ako excited for my future. Kasi wala na akong income eh. Ginastos ko na agad yung kikitain ko pa lang eh. 'Di ba? So, i-avoid po natin magkautang. So, when you are debt-free, you have more money to save and to invest in assets that earn more money. So, ibig sabihin, opposite yung effect niya. No? Pag may investment ka, may peace of mind ka kasi yan nga, no? Nakakapag-invest ka in assets that earn more money. So, dumalago lalo yung iyong cash flow. Pero pag may utang ka, kalaban mo talaga yung pera kasi may interest naman yan na nag-grow against you. So, two method of paying debt. So, matututunan nyo po yan sa workshop 1. Yung avalanche method, you pay your debts from highest interest rate to the lowest interest rate. So, ang advice po dito sa method na to, unahin mo yung malaking interest kasi nagko-compound yan eh. And yung snowball method naman, unahin mo naman yung pinakamababa yung amount ng utang mo para medyo kung 10 yung listahan mo, mabilis na lang siyang mga lahati.